I met a really cool humanoid today. Its name was Buckless Pony, and it made my day. Buckless Pony says KKK is bad. Well, you know what, Buckless Pony? You can
get cool giggles.
What? This is my room here. You can see it's very roomy, homie. I mean, look at it. It's so beautiful. You can totally see it. But Buckless Pony, you know what you get? You get a free hoodie with a rubber band and an umbrella. An umbrella. And this is my Shizen that I keep on my everything. That's my TV with no fucking signal. That's my fucking Xbox fucking controllers. That's my fucking TV. That's my fucking drawer. That's my fucking bed. That's my fucking drawer. That's my fucking light. That's a fucking panda couple. Fucking. And that's fucking knife. Ow. Buckless Pony, you make me so happy. Buckless Pony, how dare you?
Hard to do with one hand. Hard to do. Hard to do. Come on. I don't see how Marines do it.
Oh, there we go.
Shit, the living fuck out of you.
If I read through that, you guys would probably kill yourselves or something. I wouldn't want to do that to you. Okay, let's just end this 2-liter and a helicopter. Yes, I keep helicopters in my room because I'm a Nazi. I'm not a Nazi, I'm a commie. I'm from freaking Mother Russia, you stupid mother thicker. Thicker? Thicker. Who says thick? I'm tired right now. I should go to sleep. That's a skull. And those are my pills. Pills. I like pills. Papa them pills. Pillsy pills. Pills. Do. Buckless Pony. Buckless Pony, you're really cool. I hope you have a good day, and I love you. But don't tell Nixie.